Garden layout allows you to design how everything in a growing space is positioned. Beds, paths, greenhouses, polytunnels, sheds, compost bays, ponds and water features. It is a place to test ideas without lifting a spade. In the real world, layout decisions are hard to undo. Once something is built, moved or installed, it affects everything around it. Sun exposure changes, airflow changes, access changes. Garden layout lets you explore those decisions safely. You can test where structures sit in relation to beds, how paths affect access, how tunnels or sheds cast shade, how space flows through the garden. This is especially useful when planning changes. Adding a greenhouse, repositioning beds, improving access, making better use of limited space. Garden layout is not about precision measurements. It's about relationships. What sits next to what blocks light, what creates shelter, what improves workflow. This tool helps to see your growing space as a system, not a collection of parts. Garden layout does not change your beds or your plantings automatically. It supports thinking, not enforcement. You decide what to build and where to place it. GrowTrack gives you a way to visualize the consequences first. You do not need to use garden layout constantly. Many users return to it during planning phases, before major changes, before investing time or money. When something feels unclear, Rowan can help you think through design choices. Garden layout supports intentional design. It helps you build gardens that work better over time. In the next video, we will look at crop rotation and explain how GrowTrack uses history to support healthier growing.